Hi everybody, welcome back to Time Predict. This is yet another reading. This is for the month of October and this is for the water sign. Like I said, I'll do detailed readings, and the highlight of the day is the Holy Spirit, and the Holy Spirit is saying that miracles are going to happen in October. So if you are a water sign, that is Pisces, Scorpio or Cancer, so miracles will happen. And I've got a little bit elements here of water, and I also got a lot of blue. So I would say for October, blue is a fantastic color for you guys. Work with the color blue. So a lot of times when I say work with a certain color, I want to say use that color more often. You can write with the same colored pen, like whichever I suggest the color, like the blue color, or you can actually wear blue clothes, or have blue things in the room, or probably something like a crystal, blue crystal, or a shell, or anything blue in color. Probably you can work with that color. So that's what I mean when I say work with the certain color that I talk about. So let's see what are the guides telling us, and what are the messages. I've got a lot of decks here, and there'll be different kind of messages. Remember, it's a general reading, might or might not resonate. And I will put the card here and see what is coming up, so you can see the card for yourself also. I'm going to start with the fairy messages. Let's see what are the fairy messages. So I'm just asking for divine guidance for the month of October for all the water signs, that is Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Let's see how October is going to be for you guys. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. It said miracles will happen, and this is divine miracles, and this is believe in magic. It is so similar. It's almost saying, miracles will happen for you. All you need to do is believe in your own magic, and things will happen. Like I said, I get a lot of blue, I get a lot of purple. So these are the colors you can work with. Though I still get a lot of blue, but this is purple here, and I want to say believe in your magic, manifest, okay, and also. Put out things in the universe, the manifestations, the intentions, like I always say, with the pure heart, and be ready to receive, guidance, be ready to receive magic, be ready to receive good luck. I also feel a lot of you will not work too hard. Things will fall in their place. And I get a special message. The spirit guide is saying, if somebody did owe you money, the person, you will get the money back from the person. And if you were really in love with someone, and you were not receiving as much love as you were putting in, or as much effort that you were putting in, you will get that love back. Or probably if you are a water sign and you've not been putting effort in the person, in the relationship, I also feel right now you will realize, and you will actually start putting the effort. It's also saying that I feel unexpected things. Miracles are naturally unexpected, though we always want miracles, and we always manifest them for a long time. But I feel the miracles, something will be totally unexpected. And I think you will have a lot of love, will have a lot of luck in your life. And I feel October, in beginning October, your money situation will also change. You will start getting money, and so there is magic, there is a lot of love. And that's such a beautiful card. And I'm just going to turn it a bit so it doesn't reflect too much. So just, guys, believe in your magic. That's what I want to say. That's all. So I'm going to remove this card carefully, and let's see what are the other cards. I'm going to give one more fairy message. Let's see what the fairy mother or the fairy spirit guides are saying for the month of October for all the water signs. This card really jumped out, so I want to see stargazing. It is all about there's a lot of blue energy. There's a lot of manifestations at night. I also feel that before you go to sleep, if you manifest, or if you start visualizing what you want in your life, will happen in October. I also feel someone affected by the moon cycles. I also feel someone who loves to look at the sky. I also feel some of you feel that you don't belong. Belong here. It's a sense of belonging to some place else. Probably you want to move to some other place. Also, it's like a desire. It's like a wanderer's spirit that you wanting to move. I also get the message from the spirit guys that in October you will want to move your house. You want to shift your house. You want to shift your job, because I feel there's a lot of movement. It's like gazing into the sky and wondering about some other place. It is also missing some other place. Could be your childhood home, or where you were born, or where you were raised, but it's almost missing a home also, is what I get. And I feel in October you're going to miss the home that you're going to miss, or the place that you're going to miss where you were brought up or something. You're going to visit that home, is what I get. That's the message that I get. So this is divination, and it's saying embrace your powers of divination, which are especially strong right now. So that's exactly what I'm saying right now. Whatever you going to ask, whatever you will ask from the universe, you shall receive, is what I get. And this is such a beautiful card. It's all about magic. This is all about setting your intentions out, and it is empowering yourself. And see, like we say, when we do spells or we put out our manifestations, it's not about how it's manifestations become true. It's not about how you did it or what you did it. If you put your true intentions in it, it will happen. That's what I believe in. And I think right now the power is really supreme, the power is really high, and the power is on your side. So I want you to manifest. And you also have the ability to see your current situation with crystal clear clarity. That's what it's saying, that you know what is your situation is. In October you will realize your situation, you will see it crystal clear. It's like almost looking into water that is very clear water. You will actually know what's your situation and what you need to do. Sometimes such clarity also is needed if miracles are supposed to happen. Because if there is clarity of thought, there is you do things or you see things with a clear mind, great things happen. Remember that. That's what I feel. I'm going to change my deck. Let's see what are the other messages for you guys. Uh, let's see. I'm going to work with my new deck. That's the Keepers of the Light. What are the messages? What is the guidance for you guys for October? Let's see. What are the gods, the ascended masters, and the spirit guides saying? They're very beautiful cards. I wish I'm going to show it to you. I wanted to unbox them, but I didn't get a time. This almost flew out of my hand. Archangel Michael. I feel blessed whenever I get Archangel Michael or any other god though. But I feel Archangel Michael is one of the spirit guides or one of the archangels that I work with. And Archangel Michael is just next to God, is a very powerful archangel, and most powerful amongst all the archangels. So call upon Archangel Michael in October, because I feel you'll be needing strength for something. I also feel some of you will be cutting a cord, or will be moving ahead. Will be cutting connections and moving ahead, cutting connections which do not serve you anymore. But in October, it is also a time to heal relationships. So either you already know, like I said, that the situation is going to be so crystal clear. For you, it'll be like crystal clear waters, that you will know that probably you have to move ahead, or you have to cut the cord. Probably it's a job or a person or any ties. It's like almost cutting the cord or being back. So one of the situations, because I'm doing the general reading, so these two situations are going to are going to be there for you in October. But I feel that you are going to be very strong, and you need all the strength in October. And probably there's a lot happening, and you've got the blessings of Archangel Michael. And let me read out. So it's also trusting heaven. Like all of them are talking about miracles. All are talking about divination. All are talking about trusting the universe, because you already set out something. And I think in October first week, around the 4th October, 3rd October, you are going to set out a lot of manifestations. You are going to start thinking how October is going to be, and a lot of you will be manifesting, is what I get. So let's see what is the other guidance for you guys and how October will be. I feel for a lot of you, money wise, after October 14th, it's a better time. Let's see, 2-3 cards jumped out. So I'm going to take one card out that really jumps out. And this one fell from my hand, so I'm going to take both these. So it's Mary Magdalene, and she's saying the teacher awakens. I also feel a lot of you will be doing a healing job. A lot of you will be involved with kids. A lot of you will be doing teaching jobs. That's what I feel. Or you will yourself teach a new skill, or you'll join a class. So I get a lot of teacher energy. I also get getting ready for a new class, getting ready for something new in life. Also, it is also bettering your skills and then going for something new. You needed those skills probably to get a better position in a job, or you've learned something which makes you a better person, even if it's marriage. And I really feel red is also going to be a brilliant color for you. So around October middle, also work with the color red, because red is going to give you that power. Because I also got the Archangel Michael card in red, and I get a lot of red roses, and I get a lot of red energy here. So I think you really need strength, and you will have a lot of strength in October. And with red color, when you will work with red color, you will feel really strong, and there will be a lot of confidence. There's a lot of confidence that you will get with the red colors. What I get. So there is also karma releasing. Like I said, it's either cutting the cord or straightening or getting the relationship right. So a lot of you will understand your situation and will not want the other person in your life anymore, because you know the other person doesn't, is not adding value, or is really not right for you, and you do it all along, but probably you didn't get the strength. But like I said, in October, you will get the strength to cut the cord with someone who doesn't really belong in your life. So that's the kind of feeling that I'm getting from this card when I pick up this card. Let me see what are the other messages that I get. Any messages pertaining to finance or movement or anything else that I get? Any other alphabets that I get for the water sign? Water sign will have to make a decision between two things, and I get a lot of water. I don't know if it has to do somewhere where you probably somewhere close to water, or probably a job takes you near water and the other doesn't. And I feel a lot of decision making is happening here in September. Sorry, if I said September, if I channel September, so probably during September end something did come up and you have to make a choice, and that's what will happen in October. That's how you will step in October, because you have to make a decision in September end. And I feel this decision will you will make after September 29th, on the 29th, or after September 29th, and you will carry forward this decision in October, which will be important for you. So this is a person who has to take a decision, and you already know the decision. Probably that's what I said. October is a time where you step in with a lot of clarity. There is no confusion in your mind. You know what you're doing is right, and there is no confusion there. So whatever you're doing is right. So you don't have to step back, reassess the situation, and I want to say in October, just keep moving. That's what I feel. Let's see what are the other messages for you guys. You're gonna feel like a king. You're gonna feel like a queen. Next 2 weeks is going to solve everything, especially if you're in a business. If you're in a business, if you've just started a business, any business, I want to say, I feel it's control in your hand. It's getting all the elements right that you need to put things right in a business is what I get. And I get somebody who feels very powerful while dealing with people. So you deal with people very well. It's also people listen to you. You have that. I'm not going to say control, but that's how you know how to give responsibilities to people. You know how to delegate things, and you're very good with finances. So I feel October, there is going to be a lot of improvement in business, the way you're doing business. Or I also feel that the kind of people you're going to recruit to run your business will also do you good. Okay, they'll be good for your business. So that's the other message that I'm getting. But I think October is a fantastic month for business. If you want to stabilize your business, or if you want to make any little bit changes in your business, it's going to give you good returns. Remember that. It's also some of you wanting to move far away, or it's also, I get, expanding your business. Somebody is going to expand their business near water. I feel one of you either is going to open a new office, or is going to take the business somewhere else, from somewhere closer to land, or somewhere near the place is near water is what I get. And that's what you're going to do. And I think I also get 3 months from now, 3 months from October. It's also, I get, that's the time when you're going to expand your business. And around December or Jan, you're going to take a new office. But the decision you will have to start making in October is what I feel. October is a month of money. I told you, it's a month of money. It's a month of finances. Is a month of family coming together. It's a month of happiness. It's a month of stability. It's a month of building castles. But I'm not going to say castles in the air. You have built them with a plan. I am not saying you're building on illusions, but it's something you've built on a proper plan, on a proper strategy. So the October is a month where all this will happen. I also feel that you love dogs, and you're I don't know if a dog has just passed away in your house. I just feel that the spirit of the animal is around you. The dog really loves you, and that's the energy that I get. It's almost like a complete family, and I also feel that you're a great dog lover. I don't know why am I saying it again and again, but you love dogs, and I feel that that's how you feel that your house is complete. And I also want to take care of your grandfather. For some of you, take care of your grandfather. Probably your grandfather is not well or really wants to be with you, or you stay with your grandfather. Your grandfather is going to come in and see you in October. So those are the messages that I get. You're going to receive money. If you're in a job, you're going to receive money soon. Okay, it's about paid money, paid work. Like I said, if somebody did owe you money, the money is going to come in. Okay, even if it's going to come in bits and pieces, the money is going to come in. You don't have to worry about it. I also get for you guys, 6 is an important number. So work with 6 number, or great things are going to happen when it adds up to a 6, or it's a six number. So I'm going to change the deck. Let's see what are the Moonology cards saying for you. What's coming your way? What's coming your way? What are the answers? What are the guidance? What is the guidance that I can give? What is the guidance that I can give? What messages? Confidence is the key. So I feel in August somewhere you did lose confidence. I don't know why I want to say this water sign, but there was something about confidence where you really didn't know what you were doing is right or wrong. If the business you are in or the job that you are in, you were not really confident about yourself. Even in the relationship, I feel you weren't really confident. But in October, things are going to change. Whatever you were not confident about, I get a message from the spirit guides that whatever you were not confident about, you will be very strong. Remember, I said Archangel Michael is there, and you will have all the strength you need that time. So you're going to feel like this. You're going to feel the words that come to me are mighty, and almost like roar of a lion. You know what's going to come for you. You're almost set for October, and there is nothing that will make you step back in October. So you're ready for anything. So that's the kind of preparedness that you've already done, I think, in September or in the months that have gone by. Yes, November is also going to be beautiful for you. Luck is going to be on your side. Like I said, miracles are going to happen. Great things are happening for water signs. And also, November will be a fantastic month for you. So, also, what will happen in October will almost be a theme for November. Remember that. It almost rhymed, but yes, remember what's going to happen in November. October is going to set a theme for November. And I think it's going to be a very beautiful month for you guys. That's what I get. Let's see what are the other messages. Yes, please balance spirituality and practicality, and I think you will be doing that in October. Remember when I said you are going to dream, but it's not just dreaming for the sake of dreaming. You know how to make that dream into a reality. You know how to turn it around, and you know what things are needed or what commitment is needed from your side. So you've got all your plans ready. So I really don't think it's a time to worry, because you know what's going to happen in October, and like I said, you're already ready for all of it. So let's see what Archangel Gabriel, what are the messages that Archangel Gabriel needs to give to you? What are the messages for the water sign? What are the messages for the water sign? What does water sign need to know? What are the water sign messages? Let's see. I'm shuffling because I don't think it's time to give you a message. That's why I'm just shuffling. All of them did come out. These are also very beautiful cards. It's detox time. I want to give that message. In October, it's also detox time. It's taking care of yourself. I want you to have a lot of lemon water and add a little honey in it. So there is something that you need to detox from, some kind of toxins that, probably you've not been having a good routine, you've been worrying, you've been stressed. So there is some kind of a detoxification that your body needs to get back into a proper routine. Or probably you've been eating junk food, you've not been following something, you've not been exercising, you've not been walking. I really want you to detox. That's what Archangel Gabriel is saying. Let's see what's the other message for you guys. I want to say the spirit guide is saying that be a risk taker in October, okay? Take the risk in October. It's not going to harm you. it's I also get the message, it's high time you take a risk. I don't know why I get that, but yes, I need to give that message to you. This came flying. So you are deserving. You know that in October. In October, you're deserving and worthy of all the love. You're going to receive love. You give a lot of love, but I think you're going to receive a lot of love. Also, pay attention to your dreams in October. Your dreams will take you where you need to be. Your dreams will give you the answers. Your dreams will give you the guidances. Sometimes there is no clarity in the situation, but when we are sleeping, we actually let our mind go. There are no judgments happening in the mind, and the mind is not closed that time. So that's why we get a lot of dreams. We are awake in our mind. So that's when I want you to pay attention to whatever messages you're getting, whatever words that you're getting, any special things, that guidances that you are getting when you're sleeping, and when you dream, and the dream does seem strange to you, but yes, it holds a message for you. So remember that. There is one more message to be given, and I'm going to use the Moonology card. I don't know, there has to be a message. One more message for you guys. Water signs, what is the message that I need to give to you? What is the message? There is a message that I need to give to you. Why does it belong in the reading? Probably it's very important. That's why I couldn't close my reading like I always say. Waiting for one card that needs to be given to you. Yes, these are two cards that came out. Okay, nothing is set in stone. So probably in September you did feel a little dejected. You did feel that there is no outcome, but there'll be no positive outcome. But I want to say in October, don't worry, because you will make your own destiny. You will write your own goals. You will make your own dreams a reality. So nothing is set in stone. I want to say keep on moving. That's the other message that I get from the spirit guides, that just keep on moving. It's not a time to stop at all in October. The other message I get is a time to give rather than take. So probably that's it. So probably you've been receiving a lot of love, like the first card said. I was talking about it. It is also time to give, and I think it is a give and take situation. Whatever situation you are dealing with, you have to give a little, and probably that's what you're going to give back. So it is also that you have to give something in order to receive something back. I also get that a lot of you, I hope it's a lot of you, but I also feel that one of you will be getting a surprise gift. Like I said, you really didn't know it's going to happen. So I feel October is a month of miracles. You really didn't think that your love life is going to improve, or something is going to change so drastically and dramatically, and things will suddenly improve and suddenly start turning for the better, for the good. But that's how October is going to be. It's a beautiful month, and these are beautiful messages, water signs. So all the best, and I hope you enjoyed your reading. I'll be back with another reading very soon, and I'll upload other signs, elements readings also. And I hope you enjoyed the reading today. So do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and let me know what all did come true for you, or what all situation that you are facing right now, or whatever messages that do fit into your situation. So thank you so much guys for being here and listening to my reading. Thank you so much. Bye.